Here we have a cute little fidget toy bag with a bunch of fidget toys inside. Also has this built-in little fidget toy on the front. So we're gonna open it up and show you what's all inside. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna open the cute little backpack and we're gonna take them all out. There's a lot of fun toys. You wanna help me? Okay, take them out. Let's lay them out. There's a lot and lots of them. Okay. Okay, I think that was it. So as you can see, these are all the fun items, the fun fidget toys that were inside the little backpack. Ooh, look, wanna play them? They're squishy. Do you wanna squish them?
I like holding them.
You like holding them? But they're nice and squishy. Just pushes the ball back and forth.
I know.
Is that one cool?
This.
Oh. Whoa. That's a cool bending one. Take these. Guess what this one does? You ready? Ooh! Here, grab another one. Let's do it again. Ready? Set. That's awesome, huh? What's next?
No, these are
Oh, we gotta do these others again. Whee!
Wait, this!
Oh, pop those. Pop.
I do the pink one.
Okay, you can do the pink ones.
Wait, this.
Oh. You wanna do that one?
You do the green one.
Oh, okay. Want me to show you something fun about it? Watch. Watch. Everyone ready? Set. Is that fun? Watch. I'm gonna show you a trick. Watch. You just pinch it. You just say hello. Hello. Watch. Has a smiley face. Hello. Hello.
This one doesn't. This one does.
Yeah, that one has it kind of slide on your finger, huh?
One more.
Got one more.
Okay. Down.
Look at this crazy one.
And those guys saw me.
And whoa. Are these fun, Adeline?
Yeah.
Are there so many of them? Are there lots of them?
Yeah. Look at dice.
Yep. They are lots of fun. They're great for kids.